Alright, okay, so now I want to show it to you how we want to format numeric values in a worksheet. Okay, so number formats control how numbers are displayed in Excel. Okay, so the key benefit of number formats is that they change okay how a number looks without changing any data. Okay, so they are a great way to save time in Excel because they perform a huge amount of formatting automatically. Okay, as a bonus, okay, they make your worksheet look more consistent and professional. Okay, so actually, okay, there is two ways to format numbers. Okay, first you use a home ribbon. All right, so I show it to you. We go to our Excel here. So at the home ribbon, at the number groups, you can see there is one option here. Okay, when you click the drop down menu, okay, this is the format or the category or the style that you can implement, okay, to the data. Okay, all right, another way is, okay, by using your mouse, right click and format cells. Okay, so example here, when I so I choose any data or numbers that I want to format, I right click, I choose format cells. Okay, so when you choose the format cells, okay, you will have this dialog box. Okay, from here you also can choose the category or the style that you want to implement inside your Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here, okay, what is good about this format cells dialog box, okay, you can set directly, okay, the decimal places, the comma style or the thousand separators from here. Okay, all right, so once everything have done, you just can click OK. All right, so never mind. So we want to try one by one. Okay, the first category or style that I want to show it to you is a number category. Okay, and then we try to change into 3 decimal places. Okay, so the first category is number. Okay, all right, so how many decimal places we want? Okay, number with 3 decimal places. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, so you just ignore this column first. This is the data that has been entered, okay, before we format it. Okay, so this is the column. Okay, I want to show it to you the difference before the data has been formatted and then after the data has been formatted. Okay, so the first style is a number. Okay, so we want to try, okay, to use from home tab first. Okay, home tab, number group, from this one, okay, from this option you can choose number. Okay, and then how about we want to change the decimal places? Okay, so from here you can choose to use these buttons. Okay, either you want to increase or you want to decrease the decimal place. Okay, the decimal places. Okay, so here we already have 2 decimal places, so now we want to increase another one, so you click increase the decimal places, so there will be 3 decimal places. That is one way. Okay, all right, and then the second data here. Okay, so number with 3 decimal places. Okay, this time I want to show it to you. We want to use a format cell dialog box. Okay, all right, you have highlight the cell, right click, format cell. Okay, and then you will have this dialog box. Okay, so from here the category you choose number. Okay, they will give you the sample output here. All right, and then decimal places. How many decimal places we want? 3. Just add another one. Okay, they will display to you the output here. Okay, either you want to use thousand separator. Okay, in case no first. Okay, and then you just click OK. So you will see this is the results after you set into 3 decimal places. Okay, all right, and then the third one. Okay, we want to set into number with 3 decimal places. Okay, alright, so example, we use a home ribbon. Okay, from here, number group, number format, you choose number. Okay, how many decimal places we have here? 2. So they want 3. So you just increase another 1. So this is the results after you change into number with 3 decimal places. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, we want to use a format cell. How you want to use it? Right click, format cells. Okay, so you will have this dialog box, category, you choose number. Okay, so this is a sample output. How many decimal places we want? 3. Add another one. Do you want to use thousand separator? Not yet. And then click OK. So this is the results, okay, after you set into number category with 3 decimal places.